Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions in a Java. Before moving to the checked and unchecked exceptions, first we discuss about the what is an actually exceptions and exceptions handling. Exceptions means any unwanted conditions or situation which may lead to the abnormal termination of your programs is known as the exceptions. Exceptions handling. The exception handling is a power mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as the file not found exceptions, IO exceptions and SQL exceptions. Then we discuss about the what happens when exceptions and occurs. When exceptions occur, firstly JVM check the where, in which line, in which methods, where an exception has been occurred. Then it's create the object of that exceptions internally. Then it checks the uh, programmers has any exception handling code or not. If method has no any handling codes, then JVM terminate the programs. The JVM have a default exception handler. The default exception handler is the component of JVM is used to display the exceptions details on a consoles. Then we discuss about the checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. First, checked exceptions. The checked exception, the classes that inherit the throwable classes except the runtime exceptions and error classes is known as the check exceptions. Check exceptions are compile time exceptions, that means it's checked by the compile time by the compilers. The programmers has handled to the exceptions, otherwise it will throw the error to the compiler, error to the programmers. Then for example, the checked exceptions are the IO exceptions, file not found exceptions, SQL exceptions. Then unchecked exceptions. The unchecked exceptions means the classes that inherit the subclasses is known as the unchecked exceptions. The unchecked exceptions are not checked by the compile time, so programmer does not throw an error of the at compile time, but they are checked at the run times. For examples, arithmetic exceptions. Then we discuss about the hierarchy of the exceptions. Java.len.throwable class is the root class of the two subclasses are the error and throwable class. The throwable classes has the four main subclasses. Uh, File not found, class not found exceptions, SQL exceptions, IO exceptions, and runtime exception. The runtime exceptions has the three main subclasses are the null pointer exceptions, index out of bound exceptions. The index out of bound exceptions has a two subclasses are the array index out of bound exceptions and string out of bound exceptions. Then error. The error has three subclasses. First one is the virtual memory errors, stack overflow errors, and out of memory errors. The, the Java has the four five keywords to handle and exceptions, which are the try, catch, finally throw and throws. The main advantage of the exception handling is to maintain the flow of the programs. Thank you.